Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to reset your VS Code editor. In order to reset your VS Code editor, first go into the C drive, then you go to users folder, then this is your PC name, PC. Here my PC name is PC. Now in the view section, put the tick mark here, then app data, then I'm going to roaming folder, and then code folder, then user folder, and you see that there is a settings.json folder here. So I am going to delete this file. Okay, remove this. This is one step, and I am going to the users folder again. That was my PC. Okay, here you will see another folder, that is .vs code. Just click here, go to there, and you will see that there is a extensions folder. Go there and just delete all the files into this folder. Just delete this. Now if I go to my VS Code, I just reopen it. After reopening it, you'll see that there is no installed extensions here. Okay, this means my VS Code is working as a fresh VS Code. Okay, if you go to settings option from here, you see that the autosave option that was after delay, it also has set up as off. That means everything is reset. So thank you for watching this video.